guys. Ah. Hey guys, it is Stephanie with Pastease.com, and it's official, I'm back. Now I know I've made that threat relentlessly over these past couple years, but I really mean it this time, really and truly. Over these past 6 months or so, I have spent a lot of time, wonderful time, connecting with our fans on Instagram to find out what it is you guys would like to hear me vlog about. The consensus is people would like to hear more of our story, our day-to-day life, body positivity, and more about our products and to see them and feel them up close. So I'm going to start with my favorite topic, which is definitely body positivity. And I personally believe body positivity starts with these 3 magical words on our packaging, which is sexy, fun, freedom. And this has been life-changing for me. This is something I take very near and dear to my heart. I wasn't always somebody that felt good in the skin she was in. In fact, I really struggled with body positivity a lot over the years. And it's kind of funny that here I am approaching 40 and I finally arrived. I feel good in the skin I'm in, and what an amazing feeling it is. And I would love to help other women and men feel good in the skin they're in, and to not hopefully take so much time. So if you're younger and you're watching this, you've just got to look yourself in the eye in the mirror and say, I love you. And if you're older and you're struggling with body positivity, you need to look yourself in the mirror and say, I love you. And you need to do that daily. I actually did that for a very long time. I felt so corny. I would whisper it so that nobody in my home would hear me because I didn't want them to think I finally officially lost my mind. But what we tell ourselves, you know, becomes us, and it infuses us. So if we're looking in the mirror and we're always beating ourselves up, then that's how we're going to leave the door, with that frame of mind. And that's not a good frame of mind. You know, so you got to love this sack of flesh that takes you everywhere, right? And I think these 3 powerful words do that. They did it for me. Now, by definition, sexy is arousing or tending to arouse sexual desire, highly appealing or interesting. I would agree with that one. I like that one. Having sexual appeal or suggestive of sex. Now, the definition of fun is amusement, a source of enjoyment or pleasure. And the definition of freedom is the condition of not being in prison or captivity. And it's the condition of being free of restraints, especially the ability to act without control. I have it enlarged too much, or interference by a circumstance. Now, I think we can officially agree that we're in the age of redefining words, and I'm going to do a little bit of that now. To me, sexy, fun, freedom starts with freedom, and that is the freedom to allow yourself to be uninhibited enough to enjoy yourself. And that takes a lot. That can take a lot, but it can also take just a couple tiny inches to just be like, wow, 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 when you wake up in the morning. So freedom is the inhibition to allow yourself to wear something, to do something that you wouldn't maybe normally see yourself doing. When we allow ourselves that type of freedom, and the freedom to feel good in the skin we're in, we become an unstoppable force. I really believe that anything can happen when you feel good to your core. That is an amazing feeling, and I think you can move mountains from that feeling. So if you don't allow yourself freedom to try a new class, to wear something you wouldn't normally wear, to try a new, I don't know, activity, whatever, then please, 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 please give yourself that freedom to do so. And you might find that you start your day like this and you end it like this. You will feel so good. And that freedom is a feeling, and it becomes the essence. It's something that just radiates out of you to the world around you. When you are free, you are radiating sexiness and fun. And it's that, I'm going to go back to that definition. It's that highly appealing or interesting feeling. I think freedom creates that. That is confidence. That is beauty. It is so pure and so powerful. And when we feel that good, when we are just like a smitten little kitten pushing that shopping cart, going to wherever, the accountant, the grocery store, the gym, we become fun. I just think there's that. I think we've all seen those people that have a little swing to their step, and it is so attractive. You want to go talk to them, and yet it's a stranger danger. So that's what sexy, fun freedom means to me. And I hope that if you've not worn our product yet, that you might give yourself a chance to do so and experience what I'm talking about. For first-time users, I like to suggest that you wear them for yourself and yourself alone on just a regular day, and see how you feel when you're driving, you're going to work, you're just doing your normal day-to-day. How do these small little stickers change that day and that feeling you had in that day compared to another day? And I have a feeling that you'll feel better, you'll feel good, you'll feel sassy, you'll feel a little swing to your step. And I think that's all for now. You can, of course, always find us at Pastease.com. All of our products are there. We have contact pages there. You can reach out. We're easy to find on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as Pastease. And I'm currently managing all of our social media accounts. So reach out. And we're also on Pinterest. I think that's it for now. I think what most YouTubers say is go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe. So go ahead and do that, please. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon, I promise. Bye.